For those who doesn't really know how to connect this, I'm gonna show exactly how to connect 4 of this in one receiver. That's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna take one receiver here. I already connect 2 of this, and I have 2 new one. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take this DJI Microphone 3 here. You can see it. So I'm basically gonna show you exactly how it looks. First of all, you're gonna have to do, just go to your receiver. On the receiver here, we're gonna, so you're gonna press Indo. Then when you press Indo, it's gonna look something like this. So we can see how it looks. And we have 2 of these connected already. I'm using one, but the third one that I'm using is connected to my DJI camera. So it's not really connected to this, right? So this is 2 of this, and I'm gonna take one more so I can just show you exactly how it looks like. What we can do is basically put this on, put your receiver on, and then let's open this. I'm gonna open this right here. Let's just see how it looks inside. When you buy one transmitter, like this one mic, this transmitter here, it's basically better if you can buy them and just keep everything together.